Alright guys, good luck. More 2015 Prizm football. Good luck guys. And just like last week, we will fly through here hitting highlights. Hitting highlights. All base. Refractor, Kurt Warner for the Rams. Base. Who'd you have? Die cut, Ty Montgomery, the Green Bay Packers. Die cut, you got Kaepernick refractor, you got Big Ben, Q-base. Got a Stephon Diggs refractor for the Vikings. Got a Bo Jackson, the Oakland Raiders. That one is not numbered. Die cut, Colts, Andrew Luck. Base. Die cut, Aaron Rodgers for the Pack. Got a Chiefs, Jeremy Maclin, not numbered. Blue Wave, Rashard Perriman, Baltimore Ravens, that one numbered to 150. First auto, numbered to 25, tie-dye, number 25, Buffalo's Nick O'Leary. Nick O'Leary. Oh, those are thick ones. I don't need thick ones for that. Your base. Got a Marshall Falk for the Rams. Got Roddy White, the Atlanta Falcons. That one numbered to 50. Cardinals, they had a Matt Carpenter, triple relic auto. Got a Aaron Rodgers. Seattle Mariners had a Felix Hernandez quad jersey. Astros. I don't remember anything from the Astros. Got a Eli Manning, the Giants. Got Julio Jones, Falcons. Don't remember anything for the Braves. Got a Eric Dickerson for the Rams. That number to 99. Trey McBride, Fractor, Tennessee. Got a Terrell Davis, Denver Broncos, base. Got a Brett Selleck for the Eagles. Die cut Eagles, Nelson Aguilar. Got number 2, 100. Number to 100, Tyler Lockett. Seattle Seahawks. Number to 100, Tyler Lockett. Your base. Last pack, box 1. Got a Rashard Perriman. Not numbered. Finish out box 1. Number 2. Box 2. And then tomorrow we'll have new Elite Football. Tomorrow, new Elite Football. As well as new Spectrum Basketball. a Jonathan Stewart, Carolina. Not numbered. Die cut, Devontae Parker, Miami Dolphins. Die cut, Carolina, Cam Newton. Got a Justin Houston, your Kansas City Chiefs. Refractor, David Cobb, Tennessee. Peace. Yep, so it'll be on YouTube. We should be done here by 10. They'll be on YouTube by 10:15. So less than a half hour they'll be up on YouTube. Base. Got a Julius Thomas, Jacksonville Jaguars. Like Peyton Manning. Refractor, Joe Flacco, die cut. Base, Joe Flacco, Q-Ace. Got a Danny Shelton, Cleveland Browns. Got a Mario Williams, Buffalo Bills, not numbered. Dolphins, Lamar Miller. No autos yet. Box number 2. Devontae Parker, die cut. Your base. Got number 2, 175. Refractor, Tyler Lockett. Back-to-back Tyler Locketts. 1 to 100, 1 to 175. Good night, Seattle Seahawks. Got a Desmond Lewis, Buffalo Bills. Your base. Got San Diego Superchargers, Titus Davis. San Diego's Titus Davis. Your base. Got a Trey Mason for the Rams. Got Isaiah Crowell, the Browns, number to 75. Rams, Todd Gurley. Your base. Die cut, you got Marshawn Lynch. Got Andrew Luck. Your base. That's back box 2. Josh Robinson, the Colts, not numbered. Got Heath Miller, the Steelers, numbered to 99. Finishing out box 2. Number 3. Pack 1 auto, Buffalo's Ronald Darby. Buffalo Ronald Darby. Your base. Got a Calvin Johnson, Detroit. Got Nick O'Leary, Buffalo, number to 75. Got a Jameis Winston for the Bucks. Air Marshals Refractor Eli Hate Manning base. Got a Johnny Football Cleveland Browns number to 150. Danny Shelton rookie, not numbered. Got a Brandon LaFell New England Patriots. Got a Jets for quarterback Bryce Petty, number to 99. Detroit's Mirabula. Got a Josh McCown for the Browns, not numbered. Rector Britt Hundley, Green Bay Packers. Refractor Steve Smith. Got a Terrell Suggs for the Ravens. Got a Seattle Marshawn Lynch. Got Cam Newton, Carolina, 2 base. Got a Stephon Diggs, Minnesota Vikings. Got a Mike Evans for the Bucks. Got a Jason Pierre-Paul, New York Football Giants. Got a Redskins, Matt Jones. Got Tennessee Titan rookie quarterback Marcus Mariota. Base auto, Tennessee, Marcus Mariota. Not numbered. 3 base. Refractor, Vince Melee, Cleveland Browns. And finish out box number 3. Base. Finish that box. 1 box to go, then we'll call it a night. Box number 4. Got a Amir Abdullah, Detroit, 2 base. Refractors, you've got die cut, Joe Flacco, base, Matt Stafford, 2 base. Got a Jamison Crowder, the Redskins. Got Derek Carr, Oakland Raider, number to 150. Raiders, Bo Jackson. Got a Bud Dupree, the Steelers, number to 99. Die cut, Richard Sherman, 2 base. Got Got a Vernon Davis, the 49ers. Refractor, Carlos Williams. Duplicate auto, Ronald Darby. So 2 Tyler Lockett's and 2 Ronald Darbys so far tonight. Freebase. Art Monk, the Redskins. Ben Koyak, Jacksonville Jaguars, 75. Base. Refractor, Tennessee, Kendall Wright. Colts, your luck. Die cuts, you got Denver's Peyton Manning. You got 49ers, Kaepernick. Base. Got a Rashad Green, rookie wide receiver for the Jags. Got a Earl Thomas, Seahawks. Got a Lamar Miller, the Dolphins. Miami's Devontae Parker. Got number 275. You got Detroit, Samir Abdullah. Although it looks kind of off-center quite a bit, maybe right to left. Samir Abdullah, Detroit Lions, number 75. Your base. And finishing out your Prizm football tonight. Saints, Garrett Grayson. Garrett Grayson, number 150. Finishing out Prizm. So that'll do it. We'll hop off. We'll get the stuff over on YouTube. We'll get it to the post office. We will see you guys tomorrow night.